Hi, Harish.
Hi, Mom.
All right, so today's experiment is about relighting this candle, right? After we blow it out. So it's like a little magic trick, yeah? All right, so we have a fire here in the form of a candle, yeah? And how is this fire started?
It started with oxygen, heat, and fuel.
Fuel. Where's the fuel?
The fuel is the wax inside.
The wax in the candle is the fuel. The oxygen is in the air.
Yeah.
And we use this little lighter here to produce the heat that formed that fire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's what happened? So what's going on inside the candle in there?
The heat is the fire melting the wax.
Right. The heat from that little flame there is melting the wax inside the candle. And that wax is reacting with the oxygen in the air, yeah? And what does that produce?
That produces smoke.
Smoke? Okay. But what else does it produce? There's no smoke right now. What else does it produce?
It produces heat.
Heat, yes.
Water vapor.
Water vapor, yeah.
Light.
Light, yes. Very good. And one more thing.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, that's what it produces, right? So now if we blow out this candle like we tried earlier, you will see a string of smoke coming up, right? What is in that smoke?
Some vaporized wax.
Yeah, so vaporized particles. Don't do that. Some vaporized particles of wax?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what else do we need? Now that we have the vaporized particles of wax, what else do we need to relight that fire?
We need a lighter.
The lighter with the heat, right? So we have wax and we have heat. What else would we need?
Oxygen.
And where's that oxygen?
In the air.
All right, so are we going to try to relight this now?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to gently blow out the candle.
Hi.
Okay, move. Do you think we can do it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
Did we do it?
I think we did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to try it one more time?
Yeah. Can you bring a little bit closer?
A little bit closer to you? Okay, try not to get burned. Okay, move.
Wait for it to stop burning.
You have to stop blowing the smoke, baby. Stop blowing it. Now, if you do that, there will be no smoke. How will I relight it?
Yeah, but
It has to get the smoke to relight.
yeah, but it's still on fire. It was still on fire when I blew it out.
Do you think it's gonna relight there?
I don't know.
It's like little embers.
That's
All right, did you like this experiment?
Yeah, but I
All
want.
right, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.